It's your favorite NPC, and today I'm not going to show you how to edit your videos faster. In fact, I'm going to show you how I stopped editing them at all. Well, at least almost. The video you're watching right now, all of those graphics have been built using Claude Code. Claude Code built those graphics, animated them, and put them straight into After Effects, while I sat back and watched the text box do my job. And in this video, I will show you everything you need to know to do the exact same. From installation over connecting Claude Code to After Effects to all of the different ways to use it, as well as tips to get the best results possible. So let's get started, guys. In case you already have Claude Code, you can just go to the timestamp that you see right here. Otherwise, I will show you how to install Claude Code. In order to use Claude Code, you first of all need to get the Pro subscription that costs $17 a month. You can also get the Max subscription, but I would say for most of you this is probably not necessary. If you use it a lot, you can later on always upgrade to Max. Once you have Claude Code, we're going to get Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is an IDE, so an integrated development environment, and you will see what it is in a second. So first of all, we're going to enter Visual Studio Code, like so. We're going to press the first link, and right here, we're going to press Download for Windows. This will start to download the installation setup, so we're going to wait for this here to finish. Once done, you press the setup right here, then you press I accept the agreement, next. Those two checkboxes need to be checked, next, and install. And we're going to wait for the installation to finish right now. Once done, we can just press finish right here, and this should open Visual Studio Code for you. So once you have Visual Studio Code, you can just go over to the extensions tab right here. And now we have to install Claude Code. So we're going to enter Claude Code right here. And then you're going to search for this extension right here. And right here, you will just have an install button. I already have it, but you will have install right here. So you're going to press this, and this will install Claude Code for VS Code for you. And Visual Studio Code is just a normal code editor. So right here, we can essentially edit code, but we will mostly use it to use Claude Code, because now we can use Claude Code by pressing on this icon right here. If it looks different for you, you first of all have to log in right here. And if you don't see this icon, you probably have to restart Visual Studio Code. So once you're logged in and see this icon right here, Claude Code should be set up. Now we also want to create or open a folder for our project, because Claude Code in the end works within this folder. So we're going to go over to the Explorer, then we're going to press Open Folder right here, and now we can create a new project folder. And then Claude Code essentially lives inside of this project folder. So let's go over to Desktop, let's right click, New Folder, and let's say Claude for AE, for example. I created this folder, and now I'm going to select this folder right here. And now to get Claude Code for After Effects, we will enter Claude Code After Effects MCP right here. And right here, you should see this GitHub link. Link will also be in the description. Then we're going to press this link right here. And right here, you will find the documentation right here. And here you will also see the setup instructions if you scroll down a little bit. So we need Adobe After Effects 2.24 or later, Node.js version 14 or later. So let me also show you how to get Node.js. You just go over here, enter Node.js, then you press the first link. And right here, you can just press Get Node.js and follow the instructions. Downloading this is pretty much straightforward. You just press Next all of the time, and then you will have it. Link will also be in the description. Now let's go back. And right here, you see that we also have to install npm or yarn package manager. npm is going to come if you install Node.js though, so you don't have to do anything extra. And once you have it, you have to do all of this, but it's actually a lot easier than expected, because you can just take all of this right now that you have Node.js and npm, and essentially you can just copy all of this up to this point. You can go back to Claude. Let's now open a Claude session by pressing New Session. Let's paste this in, and let's say, please install this for my project so I can use it, like so. And you can see he will now do the work and will install all of the dependencies. You just have to press yes right here, and we just have to press yes every time he essentially asks us something. So yes again. And now let me also minimize this, and you can see that everything has been installed, and it also says to use it in Claude Code, restart this session or reload the window so the new MCP JSON is picked up. So all we essentially have to do is just close Visual Studio Code and restart it. So now I'm going to restart it, and you can see now I essentially restarted my session. And now in order to check whether it has been installed successfully, we can just use /mcp. And you should see /mcp servers right here if it has been installed successfully. So let's just press this. And you can see After Effects MCP is now connected for us. So this should work. So now let's just open After Effects. I use After Effects 2026, but it should also work for your versions. So I'm going to create a new project, new composition. Let's just create this composition right here. And now before we start, it's important that we go over to Edit. We have to go to Preferences and right here to Scripting and Expressions. And it's really important that right here, Allow Scripts to Write Files and Access Network is enabled. Otherwise, just check this box right here and it should work. Then we're going to press OK. And now we also have to go to Window, and you should see MCP Bridge Auto JSX right here. And we have to press this, and this will essentially now enable the connection to Claude Code. And now I can go to After Effects and, for example, ask Claude Code to generate something for me. Can you create a basic card for me in After Effects? MCP should be running. This will now again take a short time. If you get any questions like where you have to check yes or no, essentially, just go and press yes. And this might be different for some of you. If there occurs an error or something like that, Claude will also try to fix it, and you can help him by essentially just talking to him. And you can see it essentially finished generating the card. So let me go over to After Effects. And now this here is the card that we are getting. So all of this has been generated by Claude Code without me doing anything. I could also say change the title, change the text. So I could, for example, say change the title to NPC codes. And I could execute this, and he would probably change the title instead of After Effects to NPC codes. So I can see we have NPC codes right here. So I essentially only have to prompt it, and it will do all of the rest. Now you can see that we have those square corners. And by using MCP, we don't really have full control. So there's also another workflow, and that is the workflow of Claude Code essentially writing JSX. So I can also say, can you write me a cool card layout with rounded borders using JSX that I can later import using scripts like so. So I'm going to execute this command, and now he will write JSX. And later on, we can also import JSX files into After Effects. And that is an alternative workflow to this, and you will see the difference. So now you can see it created that one at scripts/createcard.jsx. So let's take a look at our folder. We have the scripts folder right here. And right here, it created createcard.jsx. So this one is a script. So now I can go over to After Effects, to my composition, and let me go to File, Scripts, Run Script File. I'm going to go over to my Claude folder. So what was the name again? It was Claude for AE. So I'm going to search for Claude for AE. I'm going to open this folder. So I have to open that one. Now I'm going to go over to Scripts. And now you can find the script right here. So this is the JSX file. So JavaScript source file. Like so. And you can see this is now the script. And now we have those rounded borders. So this looks pretty clean now. And now I can also say, the card looks good. Create me a different card with green as the primary color for the card. And this time, create the script and use MCP to automatically import the script inside of After Effects, like so. So now he will create a script and use the MCP connection, so this connection right here, to automatically import that script into After Effects. So I'm going to enter that one, and now he should do all of this on its own. So let me go back to After Effects so we see the result. And you can see it imported the green card right here. So all of this has been done automatically now without me doing anything. So I don't even have to touch this anymore. Let me now also introduce you to expressions, because Claude Code can also write them. Imagine we have a text right here, so maybe hello guys, and let me also make this a little bit bigger so you see it. And now you can also use After Effects to write expressions. So I could, for example, use an expression on the position property by alt-clicking that one. Now I could, for example, add a wiggle expression, so 10-1 for example. And you can see this will now add a pretty fast shake to this text right here. So expressions are essentially just instructions via code, if you want to say it like that trigger a certain behavior, like wiggling, for example. So let me remove all of this. And now I could also use Claude Code to instruct it to add certain expressions. So I could, for example, say, add an expression to my text. What exactly is the text? Hello, guys, inside of After Effects that makes the text wiggle. So shake, essentially, shake should be slow and subtle, like this. I'm going to execute this, and now he will start to think, and he will try to add this shake to our text, essentially. And now it said that it added a wiggle right here. So expression set for position on layer hello guys. Let's take a look. Let's go to position right here. It added a wiggle of 0.55. And you can see we have this kind of wiggle right here, even though it's really, really subtle, to be honest. But I think you can see the effect. And of course you could adjust it. So I could, for example, say make it faster, make it slower, make it move more, and so on. And now I want to show you the workflow that I'm using, because that one is a lot more effective than what you're seeing right now. I personally have my own HTML file right here, and I have a lot of predefined styles essentially. And later on, I'm just going to tell Claude Code, for example, use style 31. And for the text, use this or that, for example. And then he will essentially just import that into After Effects for me and also replace the text right here. So by having those predefined styles, and by prompting Claude Code, I can essentially import an adjusted version by just using a single prompt. And that makes everything a lot faster. So let me actually show you. Imagine I wanted to have style 01, for example. Then I can just go in here and say, please import style 01 into After Effects and use for the title NPC codes. And for the subtext, use best channel on YouTube, for example. I'm going to press enter right here and now import that into After Effects. And of course, I created Claude MD files and I set my entire project up for this to work. But in order for you to understand the entire workflow behind Claude Code, I definitely recommend you to take a Claude Code course. I also have one on my channel, so in case you want to learn all about Claude Code, feel free to check that one out, and then you will also understand how to create this entire workflow. And now you can see it essentially imported everything into After Effects for me. I also have NPC codes and best channel on YouTube. Now I could also say, for example, import style 5 and so on. So I think you get the idea. And that is all you need to know about how to connect Claude Code to After Effects.